traveling new places? Have you ever sailed on boats? Today I am going to tell about a famous sailor. He sailed many places. Now I show you how my boat was sailing on water. Today our lesson name is the Sinbad the Sailor. Now I am going to read the lesson. Listen to me carefully. Sinbad is one of the heroes of the famous collection of Middle Eastern stories called 1001 Nights. He was a sailor who discovered many strange places and things during his 7 voyages in the sea. It was a clear day when we set sail from Baghdad. We stopped at many places and sold a lot of goods. One day we landed on an island. All of us plucked fruits and flowers on the island. After a good meal, I fell asleep on the shore. When I woke up, the ship was gone and I would not see anyone. Suddenly, something fell near to me. It was a chunk of meat. Then I saw that there were several chunks of meat everywhere. I could see some men throwing huge pieces of meat on the valley from the hills. As they threw the meat chunks, many huge birds came flying down and picked at meat with their claws. I wanted to know who these men were and why they were throwing meat for the birds. Then I noticed something shining under one of the meat chunks. It was a diamond. A diamond picked it up. A bird picked it up and rose high up in the air. Then things became clear to me. These men wanted the diamonds, but they were too scared to come down at the valley, as there were snakes everywhere. So they were throwing meat chunks in the hope that some diamonds would get stuck to them. Now I am going to explain this paragraph. Sinbad, he is a famous sailor of Iraq. He was, when the sun begins to shine, he began sailing on sea with his boat. They stopped many places to sell his goods. Goods means things that can be bought and sold, like cloth, vessels, like this. Look at this picture. Here, so many vessels, cloths, toys, so many things is there. These things are called goods. One day, they landed on an island. Island means a small land left surrounded with water. It is called island. The island was full of flowers and fruits, looking very beautiful. They enjoyed a lot. Then Sinbad takes some meals and asleep on the shore. When he is asleep, the remaining persons are gone away. Leave him alone on island. When he woke up, he sees suddenly something fell near to Sinbad. It was a chunk of meat. Chunk means pieces of meat. It was fell near to Simba. Everywhere in Iceland, where he was remained alone, he sees so many chunks of meat. Everywhere. He wants to know who are the men throwing the meat. Some men are throwing the huge pieces of meat around the valley. Huge pieces means big pieces. They are throwing the meat chunks many huge birds. Huge birds means big birds. They are flying in the valley to take the meat pieces. Simba want to know why the men throwing the meat chunks on the valley. At last he noticed that the birds are coming in the valley to take the meat pieces. The men are throwing the meat pieces to get some diamonds. In the valley is full of diamonds. They want to get the diamonds. For that, they want to get the diamonds. But in the valley, so many scary snakes is there. So they don't want to go there. But they want to get the diamonds. How? How can they get the diamonds? With the help of the birds. So they think, when we throw the large piece of meat, that will stuck some diamonds. When the birds are taking the meat, they can collect it later. In that hope, they throw the meat pieces in the valley. Now I understood how the birds are taking the meat on the valley. Now I show you some pictures related to the lesson. Now I am going to show you some pictures of valley, coast, ships. This is the hill. This place is called coast. This is a sea. This is a valley with full of flowers. Look here. So many colors of flowers is here. This is another picture of the valley. This is a ship sailing on sea. This is a new ship sailing on sea. This is also another ship. That is port. Now I show you how the birds are. Now I show you how the diamonds stuck to the meat piece. This is a dough piece. Think like meat. Now I am going to stuck the diamonds. Look at this. How the diamonds are stuck to the meat piece. And the birds are taking the meat piece like this with the bird's claws. Now you understand? Okay. Now I am going to read hard words of the lesson. Look at the word goods. Things that can be bought